Hey, what's up, guys? And here is a simple tutorial on how to actually use TradingView. So, firstly, as you can see, what are we seeing here? Maybe you are a beginner, though I could leave my drawings. I'm going to leave my drawing like this. Let me go to another layout. So now all my chart has been cleared. So basically, what you want to do is just focus on what are here. Just focus on all the tools that which are here. You can see now, right now we're in gold, and though as you can see, I'll teach you how to do this. So as you can see, just first of all go to the first side. What do we have here? You can see some lines. All right, you click on it. As you can see, trend lines, rates, info lines, and some bit of tools that you could use and you should also not use. As you can see at this side, just make sure you see add to favorite. If you add it, you will see it will show right here. So everything right here are favorite. So you can tap it and pick the ones that you need and the ones you actually don't need, so that you won't have to be going to this side to pick it again. So as you can see, trend line, ticket, horizontal line, horizontal ray. Those are the nice ones to use. Parallel channels, if you are using some chart patterns, you could also go here. Also, if you use Fibonacci, as you can see, you could click Fibonacci right here. And there are also some other drawings you could also use depending on your strategy. As you can see here, just pay attention and check it if yours are easier. As you can see here, we could also see some, I think, chart patterns. Yeah, as you can see, some chart patterns. I don't use all these ones, but the most ones I use sometimes are the head and shoulder and the triangular pattern. Though I haven't started it yet because it's not all the time I usually see the chart patterns. So you could pick the head and shoulder. You could also start it, as you can see. Let me just put it as an example. As you can see, left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. As you can see, simple as that. So you can also see some measuring tool right here. As you can see, if you click this, you can use it to measure the amount of ticks or pips of a particular trade you are in. This is text. If you want to add text, maybe um buy, as you can see, simple as that. So we also have the long and short position right here. As you can see, the L is the long. You can just tap it, take it like this, which means you are about to take a buy trade. And if you click on the second one right here, it means a short position. Simple as that. These ones are drawing. You want to draw something in your chart that okay is about to go up or down or something like that. And let's check more. These are emojis. Though you don't need this, but okay, to the moon, something like that. You get me? Those vibes. So this is just to zoom in into the chart. So this is to keep the drawings that you have created. It's also used to remove it. Also, this one is to lock all drawings. So once you lock all your drawings won't be like moving. You know those kind of thing that you actually be on on your chart, and you kind of like be moving on your drawings anyhow, and they will moving. As you can see, it's not moving right now. I don't know why. Yes, I know why, because I locked it. So if I unlock it like this, I could be able to move every single thing, as you can see like that. And this one is to hide your drawing. Maybe you have too much in your chart and you don't want your friends to see the kind of dinosaur strategy or something like that. So you just like click it right here and all your charts has been disappeared. Simple as that. So you can also go here if you want to check any pairs you want to check. Okay, your gold, silver, anything, just anything. You try just show it right here. This side is to create more layers. As you can see, I have layer one, layer two. I'm just using layer two as for example so that I can show you a chart without the drawings. So though I should have used ID drawings, but anyhow, it is what it is. I can see this list is a black list which I created myself. So everything I decide here is just to flag the pairs you want to trade, like maybe you have in mind. So they are called red list. All right, so if you click it like this and you click the this one which I created, as you can see, the red list will specify the pairs you are looking on. So you don't have to stress yourself to knowing which specific trade you want to take now or you want to take later. As you can see, you could also edit it with the way I edit it. I usually edit it as S rank, A rank, B rank, and just future. Just why not? So S rank are those pairs that usually go well, like following the ranks, like going well to reach F. Though there's no F, I'm only using S, A, and B. So other things you could also use, maybe you want to share a trade to someone. As you can see, you can download the image, you can copy it, copy and paste maybe to a WhatsApp or something like that, and you can paste the image to someone. If you download it, it could also be saved in your phone. So if you want to make your chat look cool, you should also make sure to go here. Maybe you like dark theme, pick a dark theme, light theme, light theme. I could make further edits. As you can see, if I go to the settings, I have other further edits that I created. Templates, as you can see, you create a template. I have a gray template. If I click it right here, as you can see, my chart now is in gray mode, which I set it. You would also just play around and just set it anyhow you want. These are time frames. The 1 hour time frame, I'm sorry, the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour for week and month. So that's basically how to navigate the TradingView platform. So as you know, the TradingView platform is far better than using your normal casual MetaTrader to analyze, but I actually advise people to use TradingView more than analyzing in your MT5. So if you have other questions or other tools that you have seen people use, or something you feel like using or you don't know how they did it, you can drop it in the comments so I can also probably give you a tutorial on how to do that. Or if you have any other videos you wish I could create for you, you can also drop it in the comments so I can work on that. Alright guys, that's basically all in the TradingView tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.